Past tense, bhutkaal. To be, was or were. Chart of person and number. Person, vyakti. Singular number, ekvachan. Plural number, bahuvachan. First person, pratham vyakti. I, मैं. Was, I was to go to the market. मैं बाजार जाने वाला था. Plural number, we, हम लोग. Were, we were to go to the market. हम बाजार जाने वाले थे. Second person, द्वितीय व्यक्ति. Singular, you, your, तुम या आप. Were, you were to go to the market. तुम या आप बाजार जाने वाले थे. Plural number, you, your, तुम लोग, आप लोग. Were, you were to go to the market. तुम लोग या आप लोग बाजार जाने वाले थे. Third person, तृतीय व्यक्ति. Singular number, he वह male, she वह female, it यह little, this near यह, that far यह, name नाम was to go to the market. Plural number, they वे लोग, those वो लोग, these ये लोग were to go to the market. Structure of sentence, वाक्य रचना. Subject plus was or were plus to plus V1 plus object. Subject plus was or were plus not plus to plus V1 plus object. Was or were plus subject plus to plus V1 plus object. Was or were plus subject plus not plus to plus V1 plus object. WH word plus was or were plus subject plus to plus V1 plus object. WH word plus was or were plus subject plus not plus to plus V1 plus object. English and Hindi translation. 1. I was to go to the market. मैं बाजार जाने वाला था. I was not to go to the market. मैं बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था. Was I to go to the market? क्या मैं बाजार जाने वाला था? Was I not to go to the market? क्या मैं बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था? How was I to go to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे जाने वाला था? How was I not to go to the market? मैं बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाला था? 2. We were to go to the market. हम बाजार जाने वाले थे. We were not to go to the market. हम बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे. Were we to go to the market? क्या हम बाजार जाने वाले थे? Were we not to go to the market? क्या हम बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे? How were we to go to the market? हम बाजार कैसे जाने वाले थे? How were we not to go to the market? हम बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाले थे? 3. You were to go to the market. तुम बाजार जाने वाले थे. You were not to go to the market. तुम बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे. Were you to go to the market? क्या तुम बाजार जाने वाले थे? Were you not to go to the market? क्या तुम बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे? How were you to go to the market? तुम बाजार कैसे जाने वाले थे? How were you not to go to the market? तुम बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाले थे? 4. He was to go to the market. वह बाजार जाने वाला था. He was not to go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था. Was he to go to the market? क्या वह बाजार जाने वाला था? Was he not to go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था? How was he to go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे जाने वाला था? How was he not to go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाला था? 5. She was to go to the market. वह बाजार जाने वाली थी. She was not to go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं जाने वाली थी. Was she to go to the market? क्या वह बाजार जाने वाली थी? Was she not to go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जाने वाली थी? How was she to go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे जाने वाली थी? How was she not to go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाली थी? 6. It was to go to the market. Add name or situation. यह बाजार जाने वाला था. Add name or situation. It was not to go to the market. यह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था. Was it to go to the market? क्या यह बाजार जाने वाला था? Was it not to go to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था? How was it to go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे जाने वाला था? How was it not to go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाला था? 7. This was to go to the market. Add name or situation. यह बाजार जाने वाला था. Add name or situation. This was not to go to the market. यह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था. Was this to go to the market? क्या यह बाजार जाने वाला था? Was this not to go to the market? क्या यह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था? How was this to go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे जाने वाला था? How was this not to go to the market? यह बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाला था? 8. That was to go to the market. Add name or situation. वह बाजार जाने वाला था. Add name or situation. That was not to go to the market. वह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था. Was that to go to the market? क्या वह बाजार जाने वाला था? Was that not to go to the market? क्या वह बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था? How was that to go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे जाने वाला था? How was that not to go to the market? वह बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाला था? 9. Mahesh was to go to the market. महेश बाजार जाने वाला था. Mahesh was not to go to the market. महेश बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था. Was Mahesh to go to the market? क्या महेश बाजार जाने वाला था? Was Mahesh not to go to the market? क्या महेश बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था? How was Mahesh to go to the market? महेश बाजार कैसे जाने वाला था? How was Mahesh not to go to the market? महेश बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाला था? 10. They were to go to the market. वे बाजार जाने वाले थे. You can use वे और वे लोग. They were not to go to the market. वे बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे. Were they to go to the market? क्या वे बाजार जाने वाले थे? Were they not to go to the market? क्या वे बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे? How were they to go to the market? वे बाजार कैसे जाने वाले थे? How were they not to go to the market? वे बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाले थे? 11. These were to go to the market. ये बाजार जाने वाले थे. You can use ये और ये लोग. These were not to go to the market. ये बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे. Were these to go to the market? क्या ये बाजार जाने वाले थे? Were these not to go to the market? क्या ये बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे? How were these to go to the market? ये बाजार कैसे जाने वाले थे? How were these not to go to the market? ये बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाले थे? 12. Those were to go to the market. वो बाजार जाने वाले थे. You can use वो और वो लोग. Those were not to go to the market. वो बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे. Were those to go to the market? क्या वो बाजार जाने वाले थे? Were those not to go to the market? क्या वो बाजार नहीं जाने वाले थे? How were those to go to the market? वो बाजार कैसे जाने वाले थे? How were those not to go to the market? वो बाजार कैसे नहीं जाने वाले थे? Mouth translation. Do practice of speaking loudly. Total 72 sentences. Do practice of speaking 10 times loudly. मैं पढ़ने को था. I was to read. तुम सोने को थे. You were to sleep. राम त्याग पत्र देने को था. Ram was to resign. मेरे पिता अवकाश प्राप्त करने को थे. My father was to retire. क्या राम खाने को था? Was Ram to eat? राम दिल्ली जाने वाला था. Ram was to go to Delhi. सीता मुंबई जाने वाली थी. Sita was to go to Mumbai. वे घर बेचने वाले थे. They were to sell the home. सीता रोने वाली थी. Sita was to weep. मैं बाजार नहीं जाने वाला था. I was not to go to the market. राम त्याग पत्र नहीं देने वाले थे. Ram was not to resign. क्या राम खाने वाला था? Was Ram to eat?